This is the frequency distribution of electromagnetic waves. It is divided into radio waves, microwaves, infrared rays, visible rays, UV rays, X-rays and gamma rays. The main input for the FM radio circuit is the FM waves, which lies in the category of radio waves, which is further divided into FM rays, TV and AM waves.
This is a general schematic of a FM radio circuit. It contains an antenna here. This is here for gathering the EM waves, which acts as an input signal for the FM radio circuit. The EM waves are then passed through a pre-select filter. What a pre-select filter does is that out of all the EM waves in the EM spectrum, it just takes in the radio waves, and this is very important. It takes in the radio waves, which is our input signal in this case. One of the most important functions of pre-select filter is also that the image frequencies are very close to the radio wave frequencies. Hence, they must be separated, and this is one of the tasks that is done by the pre-select filter. After that, this the input signal is passed through a low noise amplifier. This is done because after having traveled through the channel, in this case the atmosphere, the input signals have attenuated a lot. Hence, it is passed through a low noise amplifier so as to increase its amplitude. After that, it is passed through a mixer. Now, what a mixer does is that it gives a sum and a difference of two signals. The second signal here being the signal generated by an oscillator. This is something that we can control. By controlling the frequency generated by an oscillator, we can get a sum and a difference at two different frequencies. This is very important because this is what decides that which frequencies will we be tuning into. This is what decides that what frequency will we be tuning the radio wave for. After this, we get two waves. One is a down converted input signal, and the other is the up converted input signal. The IF filter takes in the down converted input signal and gives us the correct input signal that we must that we must tune into. After that, the input signal is passed through a demod. What a demod does is that it converts the electrical signal into an audio signal, which is further passed into an audio amplifier so as to increase its amplitude, and then it is passed through a speaker so that we can hear the nice music.
This is the radio circuit which is required to make a FM radio. These are the this works on a battery of 4.5 volts. The basic components are a variable capacitor, a coil of 4 turns, 2 transistors or number BF494, a capacitor of 0.22 microfarad, a preset filter, and a IC with number LM386, a capacitor of 0.1 microfarad, and a capacitor of 220 microfarad. Now, first of all, the antenna picks up the electromagnetic waves from the atmosphere, and this goes to the tuner circuit. This is the tuner circuit. Here, this is used for the energy storage. Here, the capacitor is used to tune in the circuit at a particular frequency. Then the signal moves to the transistor. These two transistors are used to detect the frequency modulated waves. Then the waves moves to the capacitor. These two capacitors are used for the noise reduction. Then it moves to the preset. Preset is used to control the volume to the input of the IC. Then this IC is used to amplify the sound. Then the output is obtained at two particular points, and it can be heard through a speaker or microphone or headphone, anything.